We all like sitting down and watching YouTube videos or any kind of videos and do nothing. But now I am here and I'm going to show you how you can get paid just to sit down and watch videos. Get paid just to do nothing. So watch this video and learn how to. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. So guys, decide that I'm going to show you guys on how to make money by just watching videos, right? This site is called superpay.me and it pays you just to watch videos, right? But I'm going to show you guys two ways, right? First one obviously is to watch videos, and the second one that also gets you really good money, right? And here obviously the main focus is surveys, right? And I know a lot of people have mixed feelings when it comes to surveys, but you know, surveys tend to switch around, right? Some are legit, some aren't, but we're not going to be talking about surveys. But if you want to take part in the survey, that's completely up to you. Obviously you need to join, right? And it's free to join, and it takes less than 2 minutes to join, and you get 20 cents, right? 20 cents bonus when you join. And how you're gonna make money, right? So you're gonna go, I'm gonna show you guys how it works, right? So you come here and see how it works. You can get paid to watch videos, right? And if you want to maximize this is my secret method. You can have multiple devices running, and they can earn money for you, right? Multiple videos running on different devices, meaning that you're gonna maximize the amount of money you get, so they can be even run in the background while you do other stuff, and you will earn a lot of money, right? And the second method that I told about is referral, right? All you just have to do is you get a unique link, right? And you share it to your friends, and they join using that link, right? And obviously you're gonna get a certain percentage, right? And it also carries on. For every money they earn, you get a certain percentage, right? So meaning that while your friends are busy earning a lot, you just earn a certain percentage. So sometimes you don't even have to do anything, right? And obviously there's surveys, but anyways, we're not talking about those. And they also have paid trials and offers, right? But this is for you guys to research on your own. So I would recommend you guys to use this site because you can earn a lot of money, and this is a very, very trusted site. A lot of people use this site, and you can get paid through Amazon, Bitcoin, Tango Card, Skrill, or PayPal, right? So you need to have either one of these, and you can get, that's how you can withdraw your money, right? And meaning that you can either choose to withdraw with gift cards, or you can get your solid money like that. So guys, use this site and make money, guys, and enjoy this site. And I'll see you guys in the next video.